Abusua. Me say me hwe Ghana din say nya 68 years ah. Me were ho. Ma me ni kam akwa abamra Adom TV. Ekwahye sem yeso. Ene de ma me hye nkran ke o. Me de afutuo ni nsem kese nanam. You see, every child born into the world is born as a blank slate, nothing on the brain and mind. Every child. Whether they are born in China, whether they are born in America, in Afghanistan, in Ukraine, or in Ghana, in Kumasi, Ghana, Alo Gbagbe, Alo Northern region, they are born as blank slates. There's nothing on their minds. It is what they are exposed to, the things they hear and see, that create who they become. Therefore, a child's formative experiences informs what they become and what they can do and they cannot do. Akwadebia. Ni ahunu ye, di ote ye, ewo ni mfie mu, ewo mbonten so, one namfofo na mo a. Ena ema no yo na obeye panin bone ana panin papa. Therefore, it is important say ye jai ye kire mas na ye kire the friend say mo chira dey school bi English me bo a na home economy but how are you teaching the children to become responsible, polite, and great children? There must be a philosophy and a concept of training that creates human beings of value. Human beings who are productive, human beings who are not self-centered, but human beings who are sacrificial for the good of a nation. We say we are bringing up children. Now, Benevos always say the future is for the youth. The youth are the future of the nation. What youth? The youth on drugs. The youth who have become promiscuous. The youth who has look, substance abuse has become a public health issue, just like COVID. Me na me catch the war. Endu boneno, and sabro, ejamai, violence is now a public health threat. Minister of Health, but declare substance abuse. Enu ahodo a totonum, ebi a tablet, ebi a empo cake, ebi a toffee, ebi a biscuit. Ni nyina ye enubon ni bi. Ebi a shito a ye die. Ena ensa ye no. Eni nneoma ahodo a ye den gu ya adwene mu na ekanya ye no. Ena empo ehubra se ema ebo be sibra mayoa. Na me ka che obi se wo hye oba wanyi akọ na wahwa akọ ware obi a mema be eduonu ena na dance onyine ye. We are abusing our bodies. And because of that, we are abusing our soul. And we are abusing the spirit that God gave us to become like Him. Why? Ade. Ediani yepe. Esa say ye ni kwankyere for papa. Enya so dem na make. Enya school na make. Ye mfie mu. Eja ne na kwan be na ode tete yen. Ena o man nim soso no. Ehye be na ayo a sabe ye TV ahodo, ye social media ahodo no. Ye hwe se ensem begu so no e be kenya nkwara no asua nyansa anya nimdie eni subampa e de ne yeyo asoman na ye nyina ye let's do economic emancipation ye pesika ye political na ne anapawia economy political economy. Who is going to take charge of the economy and the politics? Anya nipa no. So why have we left the human factor out of our development paradigms? Why have you left the human factor out of the development paradigms? Ghana, it is time we develop our own sustainable development goal in Ghana. One is to transform the youth population. SDG Ghana. It's important. Mama ko school ka se me nko bi da me primary school na ramanwie me boko e wo class 1 na me tie. But my dream kire me say wa memu de be ani da no nya ho na ese ke ni da. Nyoma esum ma nya na esumbo. We need to actually focus on developing the human capital into productive beings that we shall all together create a nation of mindset changes. Kofa ya po ya dwinda ho yo nyansa enema ya na sumbo ma ya na sumbo mi obi asoma mbo ebe yi ena atuye sika o sika galamse ntokwa na abrante timinya kuduro etwi so ya ni tu o ka so no ye bibi gunumu onso bia enye ne suba no eye nioma egunumu no na ekenya no na abaywa ona monten na mema miensa na enan na eda enye ono na mante nso bo so nam yo sabe ase aponche a wade wi a wofie enipa da ne ponche ni ya nwene ho emma enye ahiasem wo mem a na ne eno an say what minister is responsible for human transformation? What minister is responsible for the emancipation of the human being in Ghana? So I don't think we have a ministry focused solely on transforming the Ghanaian mind and the youth. America, baby, you need that piano. When that's one say we're building a youth cadre to become responsible, valued, and productive. Not youth on drugs, not youth on sex, not youth on violence. I mean, fancy my cancer, as my cancer, my fata. Me any emre na me na wasese onya amre hwe me. Na me fa na aseso nkoma Richmond. Me fa bi nso nkoma Mark Weber. Eja we kampedu. Na me fa bi nso nkoma Abu. Me fa bi nso ma Priscilla Sarah. Ene mo amugu production mu anya me nhira mo. Se mo mama akwanya we amabetana di nkoma we. Ma me na Thomas a ogina camera chi so ase. Osmosis na odine ma share masumi da wase. Me na MCR4 become say I want to say me nchira wase ene secret. Me na floor manager and now make up for some of them. Now, what we are measuring me, no, make us say, my copper natural. We know your coupon, and now bought or cry, who soon, only pay your home buying. When I mean, shroud.